Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about something fun, math in our everyday life. Math is not just for school. We use it all the time. First, think about shopping. When we go to the market, we see price on food. If an apple costs 2 ringgit, we buy 3 apples. How much do we pay? Yes, we pay 6 ringgit. Math help us know how much money to bring. Next, let's talk about cooking. When we make a cake, we need to measure things. If the recipe say 2 cups of flour, we need to use a cup to measure it. If we want to make more cake, we might need 4 cups. Math help us make yummy food. Now let's think about time. We all have clocks. We need to know when to wake up for school. If school starts at 8 a.m. and we take 30 minutes to get ready, what time do we wake up? Right, at 7:30 a.m. Math help us plan our day. Math is also important sport. If you play football and score 2 goals in one game and 3 goals in another game, how many goals do you have? Yes, you have 5 goals. Math help us keep track of our score. Finally, let's talk about sharing. If you have 10 candy and want to share with 5 friends, how much candy does each friend get? Each friend get 2 candy. Math help us share fairly. So you see, math is everywhere. Whether shopping, cooking, telling time, playing sport, or sharing, we use math every day. Let's enjoy math and you use it to help us. Thank you for listening.